We're going to take a quick look at digital literacy. Digital literacy is defined as the ability to use technology to learn effectively and live productively in an increasingly digital world. Capel ISD has defined these 7 components as part of digital literacy. These items are pulled from the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, or the TEKS, for technology applications to be taught in every classroom, the International Society for Technology Education International Technology Standards, and the Fluency 21 Project, which is a global digital citizenship nonprofit organization. So what you'll notice about our graphic here is that while there are 7 components, technology operations fluency is actually in the center. This is because this item is not isolated from the other 6. Technology is in fact how we accomplish fluency in the other 6 areas on the spectrum. So again, technology is the vehicle that gets us to fluency in the other areas. So let's take a look at our first area, which is media fluency. That's being able to use technology to evaluate a message and its medium, as well as create original communication. So knowing why a particular medium is used and which messages go better on which mediums of communication. The second one we use technology for is creativity and innovation fluency. So being able to use technology to think creatively, construct new knowledge, and to innovate. Our next component is collaboration and communication fluency. So being able to use technology to work cooperatively to learn, collaborate, and to achieve a goal. Then we use technology for solution fluency, so to be able to think critically, define a problem and solutions, and make informed decisions. Our next component is information literacy, so being able to use technology to find, analyze, and use information appropriately. So think research, being able to use technology in order to choose the right tool to do the right type of research to find the information that is actually necessary for your learning. And then using technology in global digital citizenship. So being able to understand and practice legal and ethical behavior concerning human, cultural, and societal issues in the realm of technology. So again, that's a brief, very brief look at the 7 components of digital literacy. Yesterday, we looked at the Digital Citizenship Survival Toolkit, and that compared household items to parts of digital citizenship. We've just learned that digital citizenship is, in fact, only one part of the digital literacy sphere. So our next task is to expand that toolkit that we looked at yesterday to include all the other areas of digital literacy. So here's a quick graphic showing the 6 areas, not including technology as the vehicle. And we're going to use the toothbrush and toothpaste analogy from yesterday to represent our digital citizenship area. So your task now, you're going to divide your class into 5 small groups, and you're going to choose a household item to represent each of these 5 other areas. So one group will be assigned media fluency, one group creativity and innovation fluency, one group communication collaboration fluency, one group solutions fluency, one group information literacy. And within your group, you need to decide what household item, very simple household item, you can use to represent your particular fluency. And then write out a justification statement or 2 as to why that's a good symbol. After you've had a few minutes to decide in your group what symbol and why, you will share out as a whole class so that we can see what symbols you have for each of the other areas of digital literacy.